What's up, y'all? We're back with another episode of Brutally Simple Cooking, and tonight we're going to talk about what to do when you get a big, thick steak. Now, most people think that they want a big, thick steak. Sounds like a great idea, but most people don't know how to cook it because you have to sear it on all sides, and then you have to find a way to cook it so that it cooks all the way through. And most people just don't know how to do that. Now, here at Brutally Simple Cooking, we like to make things brutally simple. Have you ever heard of a steaklet? That's right, I can take this thick steak and turn it into 4 thin, small steaks. Now, why would I want a thin steak? We love thin steaks. Thin steaks cook really easy, they're fast, the serving size is perfect, and if you get a good cut of steak, it's gonna taste amazing no matter what. Now, pro tip, if you see big, thick steaks on sale, get them, and then you can turn them into steaklets. Now, the first thing we're going to do is cut this thing lengthwise so that we have a thin steak. Now, pro tip, make sure you have a really good knife that's sharp. I'm going to hone mine just a little bit. I'm going to cut it lengthwise, and when the knife is sharp, it really doesn't take that much to go all the way through it. All right, now steak cut lengthwise, and now we're going to cut it in fourths. Now check that out. We got 4 thin, beautiful steaks. All right, first thing we're going to do is take a skillet. We're going to turn this on medium high to high heat. We want this pretty hot. We're going to grease this thing with a little bit of butter. Put these little steaklets in. I'm going to add some salt. Pepper. And some garlic powder. All right, now we got to check it before turning it. Make sure it's got a nice crisp brown on it, just like that right there. Oh yeah. All right, now how do we know when these are done? We're doing the finger test. If it's really soft, and it's kind of rare. All right, now that these have passed the finger test, we're going to plate them. Now, what do you do with the leftover grease? Pro tip! You make double cooked fried rice. Look at that beautiful gorgeousness. Now, FYI, that's about a half a cup of rice for each of us. All right, now for the taste test. The steaks have rested. We let it wait so it could coagulate. Got our rice. My official taste tester. Steak never gets old.
Really good.
So good. Double fried rice.
My
So
favorite.
Yep.
So good.
Now. All right, now let's summarize what we did here. We took a big, thick steak, which most people don't know how to cook properly. We cut it up into thin mini steaks, steaklets, which are easy, they're fun, they're optimal serving size, right? What else do we like about these thin steaks? I don't know.
Quicker to cook.
Quicker to cook. All right? And we kept the seasoning brutally simple. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now, pro tip. You can get any steak you want that's on sale as long as it's a good cut. It can be thick and you can turn it into steaklets. And pro tip. Make sure that you use a nice sharp knife when cutting these steaks. And pro tip, to keep it brutally simple, all you need is a little butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And pro tip, double cook your cooked rice in the steak grease. Now, pro tip, when life gives you a big thick steak, you make steaklets.